So love is inside of us, and it's the conditions that we put on life that prevent us from experiencing that love. Singer uses a great analogy. I've heard him talk about if a person feels like they have food in front of them in their house, but they can't eat, they have to have a special person give the food to them. Can you imagine? I can't eat this food. I got to have this 6'2" or whatever person who is just right for me feed me the food. Otherwise, I can't eat it. All right? It's a crazy idea, right? But that's what we're doing. We're saying I need a certain person to be a certain way in order for me to fill myself with love, in order for me to be satisfied. I need that. When it's inside of us all the time. The person's got food right in front of them. Just eat the darn food, will you? You don't need some special person to give you the food. It's in front of you. Just eat it. Oh, but I can't do that. I've got to have a certain person to give me the food. No, you don't. Just eat it. That's the same thing. The love is within us. The love is available. There's a wellspring inside of us. The Hindus call God Satchidananda, conscious eternal bliss. It's all from the same source, right? When you experience a beautiful sunrise or sunset, or you hear a wonderful song, or you're in a deep prayer and meditation and you feel uplifted, what's happening? You're experiencing that presence that's inside of you. Whatever that is outside that sort of stimulates it or triggers it doesn't make it come inside of you. It's always inside of us. And so we want to let go of the limitations that I've got to have things be a certain way in order for me to feel love. No, you don't. Just like that person, I got to have someone feed me the food. No, you don't. Go to it directly. Experience it directly.